Hi, it's Becky, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am going to show you what I got in my Birchbox this month. So last month's box is up on my channel, and last month's box I actually got a proper box. So we're back to the cardboard boxes. Also this month there wasn't a sort of voucher or something, whereas normally there is. So yeah, a little bit disappointed already. So this month's theme is Born in the USA, and it says, hello Birchboxers, join us as we celebrate all things Americana because we were born in the USA. Yes, that's right, we're bringing you the best of beauty from across the Atlantic throughout June. They have also this month put in a card talking about the Black Lives Matter movement, and they have said what they are committed to now doing. They have also put places to send donations if you can, and they've also put a reading list on of sort of literature that will help people understand the movement. So I think that is really good, and that's really, really important. And that is the bare minimum companies should be doing. So yeah, that's good. So getting into the actual products, I have tried everything out already, so I can let you know what I honestly think of it. So these are the things that I got in the box. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is the Magnatone London Wipe Out Eco-Friendly Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. Its recommended retail price is £20. I haven't got a clip of me trying this, but I am already a lover of these flannels. I speak about it in my skincare video. They are amazing. They literally do just take your makeup off with warm water. Obviously that is so much better for not only your skin but also for the environment. So yeah, I love these already, so I am really, really chuffed that I've got another one. Then we've got the Amicus Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and the recommended retail price of that is £20. So it says fight split ends and dryness and improve overall hair health with this all natural mask. All of Amicus nutrient-packed formulas are free from sulfates and parabens. When I wash my hair and I'm leaving it curly, I like to use things that don't have sulfate. So that is really, really handy for me. So I did use this morning in the shower. I just popped it on my hair after I'd shampooed, ran it through my hair, and then I left it for 5 minutes. It says to leave it for between 5 to 7 minutes, or longer if you want, I assume. Washed it out, and yeah, my hair does feel very, very soft, but it hasn't gone too soft that it is really fluffy. It says it will hydrate strands, repair damage and seal split ends. I'm not sure how much it's sealing my split ends. I can't think what hair brand that is, but it smells very similar to some other hair products. But yeah, that I'm really happy with. I think it is amazing. So I really like that, and I probably will repurchase that, especially to use when I do want to leave my hair natural, because I think it has still had quite a good result. Whereas when I've used a different mask before, my hair has actually gone a bit too fluffy. So yeah, I know it is a little bit fluffy, but it's still pretty good. So yeah, that's that. The next thing is the Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser, and that is recommended retail price at £24. So it has got amino acids in, which I have read are better to use for your skin in the summer. I don't know how true that is. It says it is great for dry, sensitive, acne-prone and even ageing complexions. Yeah, I used this morning. Obviously I wasn't wearing any makeup or anything, so I don't know how well it would cleanse makeup off of your face, but it did feel really nice. It foamed up really easily, and it did feel like it was giving my skin a really good clean. You can use it on your eyelids and under your eyes, and it caused absolutely no irritation on my eyes, which is really good. Again, it smells quite nice as well, this one, and I really like products that smell nice. I don't like putting things on my face or my hair. I mean, I don't know if I've ever put anything on my hair that didn't smell nice, but I don't like putting things on my face that don't particularly smell nice, and I feel like sometimes the real chemical things cannot smell good at all. So yeah, it did smell nice. Its recommended retail price is 24 quid, which I'm not sure if it would be worth 24 quid. My skin did feel really good after, but I'm not sure if it's that much better than my normal cleanser or a cheaper cleanser. But again, with skin products, it's really hard to tell unless you've used them for a while and can start seeing the difference in your skin. But yeah, I did like that one. Next I've got the Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Patches, and the recommended retail price of those are £14. It says, when you're really tired, no concealer in the world can help rejuvenate your eyes. More drastic measures are in order. Short of an eye lift, we found the most effective way to brighten droopy peepers. Just break these Patchology under eye patches. I have got pretty bad under eye bags, I think, in my opinion. So I was really thinking that these might do something. And I just don't think they did. I did cleanse my skin. I finished my skincare, so like toned, put moisturiser on my lower part of my face, and I then put the eye patches on. Eye patches, is that right? But yeah, I put those on. But I don't feel like, for me, it made that much of a difference. It felt nice, and my under eyes felt soft, so they felt nice. But I don't feel like my bags looked any better, or my under eyes looked that much brighter. They just looked a bit wet where there was product on them. The recommended retail price of these are 14 quid, which I think is very excessive for a pair of eye patches. I probably wouldn't buy those, to be perfectly honest. And the last thing that I got was the Winky Lux Peeper Perfect Concealer. The recommended retail price is £14. So it says, say hello to bright eyes. This Winky Lux full coverage concealer will diffuse the look of uneven skin tone, blemishes and other imperfections. So again, I had quite high hopes for this. So I normally use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is what, like maybe a £5. So using a concealer that was £14, I thought, God, that should be much better, shouldn't it? And I put one coat on, and then my under eyes still didn't really look particularly bright, and I then had to put another coat on, and I just don't feel like it makes that much of a difference compared to my normal one. Slightly disappointed in that, to be perfectly honest. I wouldn't buy it. But obviously everyone's under eyes are different and it might work for yours. I just didn't feel like it had the best coverage either, and the formula I felt was quite watery. So that is everything that I got in my Birchbox this month. Really happy with the hair mask. I think the hair mask is definitely by far my favourite thing that I got, and obviously the Magnetone cleansing cloth, because I love those, and if you haven't got one already, definitely get one because they are magical. I have now done another subscription to another monthly box, so there will be a different monthly box featured soon on my channel, so if you want to see that, click on the subscribe button. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you like in this month's box. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!